Everyone tells you to keep moving, keep achieving, keep proving yourself. But what if your next breakthrough begins by stepping away?
In the full success, noise, and outside approval can no longer answer one important question. Who are you becoming?
He leaves the crowd, not because he is weak, lost, or afraid, but because borrowed opinions have become louder than his own truth. High on the mountain, he carries a lantern. It does not reveal the whole road. It reveals only the next honest step. That is the real lesson of the hermit. You do not need every answer before you move. You need clarity for what comes next. His staff is not decoration. It represents experience, the wisdom built through mistakes, difficult choices, patience, and lessons nobody else could learn for him. But the hermit also carries a warning. Solitude can heal you, yet hiding too long can turn reflection into fear and wisdom into avoidance.
The journey is not about disappearing from life. It is about returning differently, calmer, clearer, and no longer controlled by every voice around you.
So ask yourself, what becomes obvious when the noise finally stops? Continue the fool's journey with us.